Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, man. Back with another video as usual, man. Today's videos, man, I'm doing one of my friend's cars. It's a Chevy Traverse. I'm changing out the emblems on there. So look out for this. Watch this video real quick. Really never done this before, but I have in the same way. But other than that, man, make sure you go like, share, subscribe to the video. Just make sure you smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell to be notified every time I post a video, man. Also, make sure you go check out my website. You guys want more detail, you can check it out on Facebook, Google, pretty much anything. So go down there. Everything will be in the description below. But other than that, man, watch out for the video.
Yeah, hey, my homie got rich in the trap. I know that he's thinking I'm bad. When he dials my number, he says that he wants why I don't, and I won't hit him back. One day I did hit him back. One day I did hit him back. Told him that crazy is black, and I told him to keep all the loves. The Lord coming back, but my homie, he's stuck in the trap.
Hey, what's up, everybody, man? Hey, as you're watching this video, this is really simple. The shop wanted to charge her $150, $120 for it. And what I do for people that I know, I always just go half off on it. So they were the sharp charge, I charge half. So other than that, pretty simple. As you see me do this, don't use that bug remover. You can use it, bug and tar remover, but you don't really have to use it. You can use your finger to get this off. You want to actually leave some of that residue there so you can line it up, because you will have a hard time trying to line it up and getting it perfect, because the letters that she has is actually bigger than the ones that actually the OEM ones that's with the car. So just make sure you line it up right. You don't have to remove all of the residue on there, but make sure you try to remove most of the best you can.
This red beat. Sean Bentley.
So we got dark, so I'm just showing y'all what I left off with. I have to do the ones on her door panels as well, or her door, outside door. So when using this goo off, we got some goo off from Dollar General. This is really good stuff. It does kind of scratch the paint a little bit, slightly. You can just buff it out if you want to, but this wasn't bad on this car. But you can first you can put it on the towel, and then also you can put it on the actual adhesive as well. So I'm gonna show you all throughout the rest of the video as well. So make sure y'all watch it. So I'm shortening this process down for y'all, man. This is exactly a 31-minute video. It took me 30 minutes to do this side. I think it took me the same to do the other side. So it's not like it's time consuming, but it's really not. I'm not sure what the tools you will ever need, but all I used was a flathead screwdriver and literally a microfiber towel and some glue off. And I used soap and water as well, because you might need it to actually clean some stuff off as well. Other than that, man, make sure y'all watch this, man. This is just like a 10-minute speed through. Make sure y'all watch it. Make sure y'all watch the process.
This red beat. Sean Bentley. Bentley. Bentley.
Hard body, hard body, hard body. Hard body? Oh God.
If you are doing something like that, just make sure it's lined up. I'm not sure if you might see it throughout the video, but I'm actually sitting back on every one and make sure it's lined up with the next one. So
You're listening to a Monta production.
not gonna lie, it's really hard to tell from a distance. You can't see the red outlining of the lettering. It is pretty clean though. You have to see it in person. This is nice.
You're listening to a Monta production.
So that's pretty much gonna be a wrap for the video, man. Let me know what y'all think down in the comment section below, man. Did y'all like it? Did y'all not like it, man? It's kind of one of my first times doing this. I do special jobs like that, man. So outside of the detailing, I do special jobs like that. So if you are in the OKC region and need something done, let me know. Other than that, man, make sure you go like and share the video. Make sure you smash the subscribe button.
They used to laugh, I'm laughing to the bank now. We getting bags, no more water, I just sink now.